TikTok, how to block someone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can block someone on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to block someone on TikTok, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch your TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is head over to the particular person's profile whom you might want to block. And after you do that, you'll find a share icon located at the top right hand side. Make sure to tap on that icon, and right here you'll find the option called block. So when you tap the block option, you tap the block button and that person will get successfully blocked on your TikTok. This way you should be able to go ahead and then block someone on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.